Good morning, my friends in Cindy's Corner. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe button if you haven't already so that you don't miss Storytime with Cindy. If you've got this book, The Thing About Yetis, go get it so that you can follow along. Have you ever seen a Yeti? Okay, my AR testers, this is a level 3-3. Here's our title page, The Thing About Yetis. Our author is Vin Vogel. The thing about Yetis is that Yetis love winter. They love waking up on snowy and quiet mornings and drinking hot chocolate with their favorite stuffed toys. They love sliding down hills on their bottoms, building big snow castles, and pretending they are Godzilla. They love ice skating Yeti style on their bellies. Do you do that? Yetis make the best snowballs on the planet. They look like a snowball, don't they? Flop. Then they just rolling over it. And the best snowmen, too. Use a Yeti to make a snowman. Ah, it scares you. It's coming to life, isn't it? But sometimes winter can be tough. Swoosh. Even for a Yeti. After all, Yetis get cold too. Really, really cold. And when their snowy fur finally dries, it gets a little poofy. Can't calm it down. On those days when Yetis just can't get warm and the box of hot chocolate is empty. Got his backside trying to get warm by the fireplace. Yetis can get downright crabby. So here's a little secret for you. The thing about Yetis is that sometimes they miss summer. See the sun? Summer. They miss playing outside for hours and hours on long, sunny days. They miss looking for their little creatures by the sea and having sea monster beauty contest. Yetis miss building big sandcastles and pretending they are Godzilla. They miss zipping down splashy slides on their bellies. They miss wishing on a shooting star, the glowing light show of hundreds of fireflies, and the sound of crickets on warm summer nights. The thing about Yetis is that Yetis love winter because on the very coldest, wettest, windiest winter days, Yetis know just what to do. What do they do? When it's real cold and you can't go outside? make the warmest, coziest, calmest summer day right at home. So if it gets too cold for you, go put on your bathing suit. Act like you're in the house and you're just going to make it a summer vacation day. Yeah. If you're not outside playing in the snow, do what the Yetis do. Make me a snow picture. Some of you already have snow right now. And if you already have snow, make me a summer picture. Share it with me in the comments. I can't wait to see your summer pictures. Here, it's almost wintertime. Couple days and it'll be winter. Yeah, then we'll start getting longer days again because now we got short days. Okay? I hope you have a great day. Give this Yetis a thumbs up. Do you wish you were a Yeti? Not me. Okay. Give somebody a hug and tell them you love them. And don't forget to share me. Share me with your friends or your fellow teachers. I need my friends out there. Hit that subscribe button. Keep us going. Have a great day. Stay warm.